Hi there! Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to create passcode requirements for computers using a configuration profile in Jamf Pro. To start, let's log into our Jamf Pro server. Under the Computers tab, click Configuration Profiles. Click New in the top right. Let's practice good naming conventions and give our new profile a name that makes it easy to identify. I'm going to name mine macOS-Passcode Requirements. It's also good practice to write a description and assign the profile to a relevant category. But for now, I'm leaving the rest of the general payload as default. Next, click the passcode payload on the left. Here we have a list of passcode policies that we can enable and enforce on the computers in scope. Each policy includes a short written description of what it will enforce. To start, let's enable Require Passcode. From here, we can be more specific about how complex a passcode needs to be, whether to include alphanumeric or special characters, and even how many days before a passcode must be changed. For my example, I'm enabling complex passcode and alphanumeric value. I'm also setting a minimum passcode length of 12 characters. There are many more settings that can be configured depending on the requirements of an organization, but for this example, I'm going to leave the rest of the settings as default. With our passcode settings configured, click Scope. These passcode requirements are for the entire organization, so I'm going to assign this profile to all computers under the Target Computers pop-up menu. If you're following along in your own instance, be sure to scope it to a test computer or group to be sure it's working as intended before sending it to all computers. Click Save, and that's it. Remember, the configuration profile is immediately sent to all computers in scope and installed as soon as they're online and receive communication from Jamf Pro. Thanks for watching.